All right, guys, here we have it. We have the camper from the future, from the Jetsons. No, I'm just kidding. This is a really cool one, though. It looks like it's from the Jetsons. Man, this is a cool design. It looks so futuristic. This is the brand new 2024 Terra Magnolia, the Rover edition. Very, very neat. You're not going to want to miss this one. Look at that amazing view on the front windshield there. Wait till you see the inside. Very neat. Armless power awning that comes out. New for 24. We have the solid steps that just flip right up in the door. Here goes your Westlake all-terrain truck tires. And this also has, with the Rover package, you get the black wheels, the all-terrain tires, a 3-inch lift kit, and then you get a rear bumper on this. It's an aluminum tube rear bumper that I'll show you in 1 second. And look at the framing on this. So it's all aluminum framing all the way around. One cool thing about Intech, it's not a steel frame like everybody else. This is all built in-house. The frame, the sidewalls are all aluminum, and they build that before they put anything else on this coach. And you get a 12-volt cooler outside, so you can open this from either side, or it's removable. You can take this off and actually take it down to the beach with you instead of bringing ice with a regular cooler. It takes a little bit more time. That one is going to be pretty neat. There's actually handles that go on here as well. And you have the griddle that you can't see the plate. Sorry, it's on the other side. I didn't get it out yet. But this is a flat top, so you can do breakfast, lunch, and dinner on here, make it more convenient. And this is what that tube looks like. Well, this is the other model, but this is the actual model. I'll walk around so you can see it in 1 second. But yeah, there's just a little tube bumper here. The other ones don't have a bumper. Pretty neat. So you get a one-piece fiberglass front cap up here, and then another fiberglass cap that goes from the front all the way down the back to the rear. So pretty neat. Let's check out the inside. I know you've been waiting for this. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, that is an amazing view. Amazing. Man, this is pretty neat. I love all the blue interior lights in here throughout. Man, that window is something else. I mean, you can even see the glare on there. It just looks so cool. You got speakers right here in the front. You got more speakers in your bedroom in the rear. Look at the LED light going all the way across. Ton of storage above. I think these ones were put together. Yep. These two are put together to make it easier opening. Wow, that goes pretty far in there too. Roller shades on this one. So they are blackout shades, but they're rollers instead of your accordion style right up front here. And then this goes into another bed as well. So it's basically a queen size bed. It'll come with a short post that comes in. So there's actually no little mounts on this. So getting in and out, you're not going to hit your leg on anything, which is pretty nice. So, and it comes with its own cushion. I'll show you that in a second. It's in the back bedroom. Another cool thing, getting in and out of this, it seems like it will be kind of tough, but this actually just swivels around and moves around to make it easy to get in. So you just move it around, and you sit down. Nice and easy. Put that back here. All right, nice TV. Hidden hinges, soft closing cabinets. Look at this one. It has your battery disconnect inside the unit instead of outside, and all your fuses are right here behind this cabinet here. Looks like you got outlets. These are USBs probably. Yep, USB ports, little cover. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, wow, there are drawers that are coming out. Oh, cool. Wow, I love that gloss finish on the front. I mean, they do a really good job, quality. These are all soft closing as well. Yeah, the quality is something else in this camper. 12-volt, big 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. This is electric only, runs right off the battery, runs when you're going down the road, and runs when you're plugging at the campground. So no worries there. Don't be worried about running propane anymore. This is the Terra. Oh, I love that. Oh, so cool. This is for your AC vent. It's right here. You have a quick hole setting right there as well. It's a Coleman Mach, and then on the other side goes out to your bedroom. This thing will be like a freezer in here. You got more storage on this side with the little ties. On-demand hot water tank, unlimited hot water. Don't run out of hot water. This also has tank heaters and line heaters. So this is a true 4-season unit as well. Man, very, very neat. Farmhouse stainless steel sink. I love this huge roll-up rack. Usually only get ones that are half this size, and you only get one of them. Intech gives you one that covers the entire thing. Wow, nice open storage. Wow, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. Very neat. This is so you get an oven with this one. This is a 3-in-1. So you get a grill, convection, and a regular microwave. all in one. It's pretty neat. You get a little drawer down here. Oh, all your remotes. Soft closing. You get a 2-burner stove up top, I believe. Yep. 2 burners up top. These are the only 2 things, plus your furnace, that will be propane. Other than that, everything else will be electric. Nice counter space. Oh, I like the LED light here. Man, all these cabinets are so nice. They got strong magnets on them that hold them. Nice little hinge. Well, not a little hinge. That's a big hinge. These are very, very sturdy and solid. Wow. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Man, these are so tough. Woo. Now you got your nice bedroom back here. This is a sideways bed, of course, to give you a little bit more floor space because this unit is a little bit shorter. I believe this one's like a 22 foot. And I have plenty of models in stock as well, if you'd like to see other ones. I have the Terra Oasis. This is the Terra Magnolia that we're in right now. I have a Soul right next to us. I have the Explorers and the other small ones as well. Nice closet. They give you this rack up top. Wow, it's all aluminum. Very nice. I like how they border all this off. I'm not sure what's behind there, but they did a really good job bordering that off. All soft closing once again. Outlets, more USBs for your bedroom lights. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a little plate that comes with it. It might go for the microwave. Wow, they even saran wrap that. Put it in there all nice. More storage underneath. And look, there's some of that frame so you can see it. That's from the frame outside. Pretty neat. Nice and heavy duty. Wow, nice big window in the rear of this one too. I didn't even notice till just now. That is a huge window. That's a frameless window from the outside. Very nice. More little storage up here. Little cabinet here. Got your TV on the wall. Oh, and here's your cushion that I was telling you about up front. So this goes on that bed up front to make it into one big bed. So you can have 2 different sleeping spaces. Digital thermostat. You have a Maxx Air fan in here. You might have seen it in my other videos, but this has a rain sensor on it. So if this is up, let's say you're sleeping and it's up, you got your fan on and it starts raining, it will automatically close for you. So that's kind of neat. And that blows air in or sucks air out. Very nice fan. You can get that added in almost any model that has a skylight. So you might want to look into that. But Intech gives it to you. Look at this. Oh, look at that mirror. Now this is the wet bath. So you get it all done in one sitting. I'm not going to say the 3 words, but you know what they are. Man, I love that LED light. They do this in all their models. I love that skylight with the light like that. This is pretty neat. This is a pretty big wet bath. Usually in an Airstream, they'll be smaller than this. And look at all the quality of this. I mean, painted aluminum all the way around. It's all sealed all the way around. I mean, they did a really nice job. Wow. Even your toilet paper is all waterproof. That is so neat. So cool. Yeah, we got people coming in looking at these things every day. These are very, very nice products. Please let me know if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments. What do you guys think of this one? This is pretty neat. If you're following the Intech brands, like I said, I have plenty of them here in stock, ready to go. I got the Oasis there. This is a Magnolia. Got the Dusk Soul, Flyers. And I got one more up front too. Little toy haulers. That one's got the canvas bed that comes out on each side. I got another one that has just a 1 canvas bed. I think that one's called the Explorer. Pretty neat. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Tony T from National RV. If you haven't already, please like, follow, and subscribe for more videos like this, or if you want to see the other Intech brands. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it.